makeup. I don't know what's happening. Guys, what is that? My apartment is such a mess. I need to clean today for sure. I have so much to do. Oh my gosh. Bro, ever since I moved into this apartment and I'm living on my own, I have really just realized how easy it is for things to get messy. I have to clean and organize like every other day. Otherwise my apartment just doesn't look clean. And I hate it. Good morning. I'm drinking my coffee and eating this little piece of banana, or not banana bread, pumpkin bread. That's more in season. Unfortunately, my alarm was set for 10 this morning, which I know is not early, and I keep telling you guys that I'm working on my sleep schedule. However, I'll like work on it and fix it for like a couple days, and then it'll just go back to me going to bed at 4 a.m. I set my alarm for 10. I was up for like a little bit, and then somehow I fell back asleep. That always happens to me. I fell back asleep, and I got into this like super intense dream where like it was crazy. And then I think I woke up out of fear because my dream was kind of scary, and it was like 11, and I have so much planned for this morning and for today, so I had to jump out of bed and get going. Okay, I'm just gonna munch on this, and I will talk to you guys after. Okay guys, my workout is done. It was definitely short today because I am in a hurry, which reminds me I need to get upstairs. To be completely honest, I really hadn't been working out for the last couple of months. Like I have just not been active at all, and it's definitely bad. The most that I would do is like my daily like walk outside, but that wasn't even every single day. So I've been trying to get back into the routine and the habit of working out consistently and coming down to this gym that's just like in my apartment. Sorry, I'm like shaky. Personally, I feel like the easiest way to get me to come down here is just to tell myself that I'm gonna be on the treadmill for like 30 minutes. So I'm trying to build that habit of just coming down here every day and walking or running, and then once it becomes a habit, I'm gonna actually start doing like weightlifting and like weight training, because that's my favorite thing. I hate cardio, but this is just like the easiest way to build a routine to me. So lately I've just been doing like the 3-13-30 on the treadmill, which is basically where you walk at 3 miles per hour at a 13% incline for 30 minutes. I've been doing that and then cutting the incline in half and running for the last like 5 minutes of it, but today I only was on there for 20 minutes. I know walking on a treadmill doesn't seem like it should be that difficult, but trust me, if you've ever tried the 3-13-3-30, I don't even know what it's called, but it is hard. Like the first couple times that I did it, I couldn't complete it. Like I had to stop because my legs were burning so bad. I'm going to quick take a little body shower, and then I have to leave for my nail appointment in 40 minutes. I'm so excited to get my nails done. I haven't had them done in so long. Guys, I bit my lips super bad the other day, and now I have like a cold sore. Is it a cold sore, or is it just like my skin healing? I've never had a cold sore before. Uh-oh. Who gave me herpes? Okay guys, my makeup is done. I just did super natural, easy, everyday makeup. However, I did take my earrings out yesterday, and I'm feeling naked without any in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some in, and this is a perfect time to tell you guys about these new earrings that I just got. I just got 3 new pairs from Majuri, and this is actually like the cutest earring stack ever. I'm not gonna take these out of my ears, I think, forever. These are the bold small hoops, and they're 14 karat gold, and they also click. They don't have like earring backs, which is my favorite thing ever. There is rarely a day that I don't have a little pair of gold hoops in like this, and these are definitely my favorite. They're the perfect size and they just are so elegant and classy. So pretty. These are the next pair, and these are the bold pave diamond huggy hoops, and again, it's 14 karat gold and natural diamond. These are actually my first pair of real diamond earrings, and they are just the most gorgeous things I've ever seen. These ones are so tiny, so it's gonna be hard to show you. These are the mini heart studs, and again, 14 karat gold, and I feel like this is just the perfect third earring for my earring stack. Here is the final stack. I just think it is so cute and perfect for every day. I love jewelry, I love being creative with it, and I love elevating any simple outfit with cute jewelry, and Majuri makes that super easy and perfect. They have so many different styles in so many different price ranges, and if you have been on the hunt for some beautiful and great quality jewelry that's going to last a lifetime, I would definitely check out Majuri. You can scan this little QR code and you guys can go and shop my pics, but I think that's all I have to say about these beautiful earrings. I seriously, these are it's my favorite stack ever. Thank you so much to Majuri for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys, and now let's head to the nail salon to get these done. I made it to the nail salon. I don't really know what I'm getting. I have a few inspiration pictures, and I think I'm just gonna go look at colors and kind of just see what I'm feeling, but it's exactly 2 and my appointment's at 2. I usually like to get here like 10 minutes early to look at colors so that I don't feel like I'm ruining their schedule. My bad. I was in a little bit of a rush this morning because somebody woke up very late. I'm calling my doctor's office because I need to reschedule an appointment, apparently.
Please hold while we transfer you to an agent.
I'm holding.
Please hold while we transfer you to an agent.
Hi there. I received a call this morning saying that I need to reschedule my appointment.
What is your date of birth?
02/23. Okay guys, I just got home. I got a wrap, but also here is how my nails turned out. I think that they are honestly like one of my cutest nails that I've ever had. I tend to be kind of boring with my nails and just get solid colors or like solid colors with chrome, and I just thought that since I haven't had nails in a while, I should go for something more fun. I think that they turned out super freaking cute, and I also think that they're gonna match my outfit perfectly for this weekend, which, have I said I'm going to a concert this weekend? Fire. I just grabbed the shirt that I want. Oh god, super not well. I just grabbed my shirt that I plan on wearing to the concert, and you guys, look at this. That is so slay. Look at that. It matches so well. It's so cute. I'm wearing this with like a black mini skirt and knee-high black boots. Oh my gosh. Every time I look around my apartment, I get stressed out because it's so messy. We're gonna clean after I eat this. It's so good. I'm done eating, and now it is time to do some cleaning because it's not horribly messy, but there's definitely some improvement that needs to be made. Look how beautiful these flowers are that my boyfriend got me. They are like the perfect fall flowers. They're so gorgeous. All right, all of the packages that were over there are now over here because I filmed a TikTok unboxing and basically showed everything that was in these boxes. So now I'm going to decompose all of these boxes so that I can take them down to recycle them. Okay, everything is mostly picked up, like all of the boxes at least. This stuff I need to put away, but I'm going to bring this down to the recycling room. I just need to get rid of all of this garbage immediately. All right, the living room is finally picked up. My kitchen is also clean. The last thing that I have to do do is put my laundry away. By laundry, I mean this situation. It doesn't look like laundry. It literally looks like a bunch of just like dirty clothes, but I sorted it all on my bed yesterday and then I didn't have the energy to actually put it away. So I just piled it up on my dresser. It's also quite a bit later right now. I wanted to eat the other half of my wrap because I just ate the first half earlier and then I had some chips and some cucumber with it. And it didn't really fill me up completely, but I wanted to get to other things. So I ate the second half of that and then I sat on my phone and just like watched TikToks for a while. I'm kind of feeling a shower right now, like self-care type of vibe. I don't know. I'm just feeling very like I need to relax. I don't want to say that I had a busy day because I really didn't have a whole lot to do compared to other people, but I don't know. It was just very go, go, go. I normally have more time to just like sit and chill in a day. And I will say if I would have woken up at the time that a normal person wakes up, then I would have had that time to sit and chill, but I did it to myself. So I can't really complain. Fell into a TikTok rabbit hole once again after I finished putting away my laundry. So I'm talking with my hands so much. I love my nails. Anyways, I think it's time to take the makeup off and it's 10 o'clock and I really want to go to bed by 1 a.m. because I've been staying up so late. I know 1 a.m. is still like not early at all, but my issue is that I have some editing I have to do still before I go to bed, but I still kind of really want to take a shower, but that's gonna like take away, I guess it would be like a really quick shower because I don't really need to like actually do anything. I just want to like quick wash my body, just like sit there for a sec. So I think I might still do that and then just get all ready for bed after, hop in bed and edit until I want to go to sleep. I might have a little snack too. I really did not eat much today. I feel like my whole like eating schedule got kind of messed up. I usually drink my coffee right away in the morning and then I'll have like a little piece of bread or like a muffin or some fruit, like something small with it. And then I'll make like an actual breakfast, like a breakfast burrito or eggs or avocado toast, and then I'll eat lunch and then dinner later. But today I didn't have my actual breakfast and my lunch and dinner were combined into one and it was just that one wrap. So I definitely feel like I should eat a little bit more, but now it's so late. I just hate when I'm like going and I get too busy that I forget to eat or I just don't have time to actually sit and make myself something good. It always sucks. I'm taking out my new earrings from Midjourney. I've been trying not to sleep with my earrings in because my earring holes are getting a little stretched out from wearing so many like big heavy earrings. These ones are all super light so I don't have to worry about that, but I saw something that said sleeping with earrings in is bad or it can be bad, so I've been trying to remember to take them out. Gosh, these earrings are actually so beautiful though. I'm not gonna get over it, I don't think ever. But yeah, I think I'm gonna hop in the shower. I was maybe gonna do like a face mask or something with you guys, like have a little self-care girls night together, but I think I'm just gonna end the video now because I don't want to do anything else. I just want to shower, eat, and lay in bed and edit. I love you guys so much. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I always appreciate it. Again, my earrings are missing, but if you want to shop Midjourney jewelry, they don't just have earrings. They have bracelets, they have rings, they have necklaces, they have anything that you could ever need in the realm of jewelry. And it's all so gorgeous and such good quality. I love you and I will see you next Sunday. Bye bye.